Hey, everybody, this is Mr. Haas here, and I am so excited to be working through this engineering STEM project with you. Remember, this is an optional project, but I do believe that you and your family will have a great time doing it. It's going to put our critical thinking and our problem solving skills to the test. So, a little bit about the project. We are going to be doing this project along with the book, The World According to Humphrey. So, you're going to be reading this, and then you're going to be using your knowledge to try to answer some questions. And we're going to end up building something that you're going to bring in for our one school, one book night and get a chance to showcase it to the rest of the school and the community when they all come to that wonderful event. So before we get started, I want to talk to you a little bit about what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using something called the engineering design process. So if you're in my class, you hear me refer to this a lot. So for the engineering design process, it's a wonderful way to solve problems. And the hope is that you naturally begin to think this way. So I just want to go through those steps really quick. So the first step in that is to identify the problem. We're going to go over that in the next video. I'm going to help you identify one of the problems in the book. The second step is to brainstorm some ideas on how you might attack and solve that problem. After you have brainstormed some ideas, you come up with a design. This is usually some sort of drawing. And this is where you take your ideas and put them on paper and really start to work out what you're going to do. Then, once you have your design, you can begin building. And as you're building, you're going to kind of test what you're doing. You're going to see if it works. As you're testing, you're kind of evaluating or looking closely at how it's going and what's working and what's not. And if something's not working, you then go and start to maybe redesign and come up with a little bit different idea or change your idea slightly. And you keep doing that over and over. You're building and testing and evaluating and redesigning until you come up with your finished product. And then the last step is sharing out, and you'll be doing that at the One School, One Book Night. So those are the steps we're going to be going through. So I just want you to have a little bit of background knowledge about what it is we're about to do. So when you're ready for this and you've started reading the first couple chapters, make sure you watch the next video, and we'll get into what identifying what the problem is in the story. Have a great day.